Antonio the Explorer. Ebook Catalog Volume 01. Journey into the World of Art. Ebook A2 Preview. Page 4 of 16. 2017, The Rediscover Painting Story. Rediscover Painting with Antonio painting set is a rewrite of a 1999 e-book listing 10 benefits of hand painting and an art show of fine line drawings. The revised e-book is a 30-page PDF document. The revisions include 1. All new drawings, 2. Links to HTML pics for easier copying, 3. More ideas on coloring images, and 4. Bookmarks. The gift of this e-book to a loved one or yourself is food for your soul that may help them and you find more peace of mind. Drawing and painting gave me that joy. This e-book is available for sale at this PayHip link http://payhip.com/b/iras. End of 2017 Rediscover Painting Preview. End of page 04.